everyone, welcome to Vasul Tarot Prediction. I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers. This reading it's a situationship reading. It's for the zodiac sign Aries for the month of September 2021. That means this situation is going on currently with you, which is related to career or your personal life. Okay, so kindly like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you want to have a Vastu consultation, the details are given in the description box below. If you want to have one-on-one personal reading with me related to career, relationship, situationship, you can contact me for the same. The details are given in the description box below. And if you wish to order energized and activated bracelets and anklets, the details are given in the description box below. Okay, so it's a situationship reading. So let's see what's going on with you currently. Okay, so you are being a very intense person, Aries, for the month of September. You are thinking very deeply in the month of September. Okay, you are releasing a guilt, certain sort of guilt you have, and you feel guilty related to certain situations in life, either in your career life or either in your personal life. So you are releasing that guilt, or you are thinking about that particular guilt a lot. Okay, you have certain sort of guilt in your life, in your personal life. Okay, yes, you are going to be very friendly and playful energy in the month of September at least. Okay, some sort of fightings are going on. Fighting, either it's going on between your head and heart or around you, or that fighting might be related to your physical environment. Okay, so yeah. Okay, you are going to be very receptive in the month of September 2021. Whatever things will be coming to you, you will be becoming very stronger to face that particular situation in life. You are going through some major spiritual awakening, third eye chakra opening. You are understanding and realizing a lot of facts and figures about you, thinking about a situation. So yes, like third eye chakra is opening for you. Okay, and there might be a party or a celebration happening for you in the month of September 2021, or a reconciliation or a reunion if you are dealing with a twin flame connection or soulmate connection. So a reconciliation or a reunion might happen, or a reunion or a get together might happen with your family members in the month of September. It's like that. You are going to be very action oriented in the month of September 2021. Very much action oriented, very much action oriented. You are going to be very impatient in the month of September. Like, you are not going to wait any longer in your particular situation. That situation might be either your career or your personal life, but you are not going to wait now. You will be very action oriented in the month of September 2021. You are working hard towards your achieving a certain goal, certain aim in life. Yes, so yeah, you are reaching to a higher level, a higher position within next 4 months. You are working towards it to reach out to that particular position. Okay, so you are going to be very patient in the month of September. You are just going to go with the flow. Your third eye chakra is opening, spiritual awakening is happening, and you are going to be hopeful about the situation, and there's a divine timing. Right things will come at the right timing in the month of September 2021. Okay, so like, yeah, God, universe is telling you to wait for the right time and right situation. Okay, and yes, if you are doing something, if you are doing a business, you can do it in the partnership. That will be really fruitful for you, Aries. Okay, and if you are dealing with some third party situation into your personal life, you need to release that third party situation in your personal life, third party interference into your relationship. Okay, also a lot of teamwork is happening for you. Teamwork situations are happening for you. Teamwork is happening for you. You are good to go with having a teamwork. working with a team will be very fruitful to you, at least for the month of September. Okay, if you're thinking about the past is not going to come back in your life. Okay, if there was some past with you, then that will is not going to come back. A new beginning will be happening within next 1 year. Okay, a new beginning, new life, new situations, and new commitments, new relationship, something new will start within next 1 year. Okay, from this month to next month, next 1 year, things will start happening. Okay, and yes, you are being heartbroken related to certain situations in life. So yeah, if there was a third party interference, or if there is an issue going on, if you are feeling heartbroken, you will be feeling very much heartbroken, at least in the month of September. Okay, so you need to release it, you need to work through self love and self care. If you are feeling heartbroken or lonely, or if things are not working out into your relationship, you need to focus on yourself, within yourself. Okay, that's the most important thing. Something happened in the past that shook you off. Maybe you had a major fallout with someone, or major heartbreak with some person. It may be in your career life or in your relationship, but yeah, you need to move on, you need to let go of the situation, and you need to move on from this situation. No more waiting game should be going on now. You need to release those situations, and you need to start moving on mentally, spiritually, and emotionally as well. Okay, you are gaining a lot of clarity related to a situation, clarity related to your personal life. Okay, like what are you supposed to do, especially in the month of September. Let's check it out. What's your life purpose? You need to work through crystals, or your connection to crystals and gemstones can be a very fruitful for you. So if you are dealing with any business related to crystals and gemstones, that will be really helpful for you. You can also inspire others, or your young generations, when it comes to teaching or talking to them, or teaching something productive to your younger ones. Okay, you can also spend time with the music in the month of September. Spend time with the music, or listening to the music, or playing music, or playing some instrumental gifts. That will be really helpful for you. Okay, you can spend time with the nature. Painting, drawing will be really helpful for you for sure in a month of September. You need to spend time in the nature. In any case, like in any sort, in any form, you have to spend time with the nature. Okay, you need to walk away from the situation which is not resolving, or which is not working. Okay, so you need to walk away from certain situation, you need to let go of the situation, and you need to move on from those situations, Aries. Okay, in the month of September, let's see what's coming towards you in the month of September. You need to let go of the past. I can see that. There's a divine timing playing its role. There's a twin flame connection entering into your life. There are few people who are dealing with the twin flame connection, and there are people who, for whom twin flame connection will enter into your life very soon, in next 4 months. Okay. You deserve love, you are lovable. So if you love yourself, you need to focus on self love, self care a lot. If you love yourself more, then others will start loving you with the same respect and trust me. Okay, the third is trust. The situation is calling for you to have faith. If you are losing your faith and trust into the situation, on the universe and God, you need to keep faith. Okay, because whatever happens in our life, it happens for a reason in life. Okay, so do not give up eventually. Okay, because true love is entering into your life very soon. Okay, you will get to know, you will have that intuition in your heart that yeah, this is the one for you. Okay, because in the past, whosoever you were dealing with, there was not enough love left. There was not enough attraction or chemistry left in that relationship. So it's better, you were I think you were dealing with a karmic connection. So it's better to let go of a karmic connection and move on from that connection, because things will start moving on things will start aligning once you start moving on spiritually, emotionally, physically and mentally from your comfort zone. And once you start doing that, things will start aligning for you. Okay, so yes, I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers, guys. Bye bye, take care.